Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting the source. Find the account or hashtag pushing the unwanted videos and act now. Tap the three dots on a post or profile and choose Restrict or Mute. This hides content without escalating to a block and preserves options. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow Account, right arrow Suggested Posts, and toggle off or tune preferences so Instagram shows fewer similar clips. Make sure to also remove any saved or liked videos that teach the algorithm which content you engage with. Now you must retrain Instagram's algorithm by signaling dislike consistently. When you see an unwanted video, press the three dots and select Not Interested. Do this every time to reduce similar recommendations. Also, remove likes and saved posts tied to that content and avoid comments that keep it active. Next, navigate to Settings, right arrow Privacy, and Ads to limit data used for targeting. By repeatedly correcting the feed, you change future suggestions. This is the core execution that yields lasting reduction. To finish, remove remaining exposure and secure your experience. Report any videos that break community guidelines to accelerate removal, and if unwanted content still reaches you, consider switching to a private account or tightening follower permissions. Once completed, clear the app cache, update or reinstall Instagram to ensure settings take effect. If the problem continues, double-check muted accounts and repeated not interested actions. Repeating those steps usually resolves lingering recommendations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.